Here we are setting up, and we're showing you Hempel Creek during winter, December, something close to Christmas. And as you can see, it's piling up, but we're gonna set this up.
It's stuck.
Nice.